Hello acting community, it has been far too long since I have posted anything, but I am back today with two major updates. First, if you are a subscriber to this channel previous to the release of this video, then you may notice that the first 5 episodes of Season 1 are gone, and 5 new ones are up in its place. This is a reboot of the entire first season. I took some things out, I added some things in. I wanted to say everything in a much cleaner, simpler, better way. So check those out if you need a refresher or if you just want to hear things said a bit differently. Second major update, Season 2, where I go into all of the elements much more in depth and introduce some new ones that are super important, is now available at udemy.com. That's udemy.com. Go there, search for BLS, and you will find it. In the meantime, if you have any questions about any of this stuff, if you want to look into classes with me or coachings, whether in person or over video chat, send me an email at info@bradenlynchstudio.com. Whatever the case, put in the time, put in the work, and you can be great.